Hi, I'm Walkster1970 and today I'm going to be installing a replacement thermostat, this part here, and this Electrolux upright freezer. The old one, I believe, was shorting out, causing the breaker to trip. So currently I have it disconnected and I have power. So what I'm going to do is install this new part, which is X0042H to R4Z or 297216004. This is supposed to be a genuine replacement. I got that number off of this one and it moved over to this one, or it's sub to that one. So let's get started. Hoping that the only thing I need to reinstall this is going to be a Phillips screwdriver. So what I'm going to do first is squeeze the tab in on the back side here. Two of them, then I'll pull this off. There's the old one. And get the new one and I'll put that in. Okay, this is the new one. I'm comparing that to the old one. See that the pins are a little different. Hoping that's not an issue. I'm going to have to conform this sensor lead to fit like this one did. So first thing I'm going to do, I guess, is unravel this and then put it in thermostat housing. So I'm going to carefully unravel this. Looks like one of these pins got bent in shipping. Straighten that out a little bit. Excuse me. That looks like we only go on one way, so you can't really. There's off. So if I go there, and I'll go in like this. There we go. This clicks in place. It's lined up with the off position. Now, this one came out of the side like this. Let me see. This is where it's going to go. Let me turn the power off quick, and then it's going to be a little dark. Now it's going to be dark for a couple minutes here. I'm going to remove my tape. Power disconnected. Here's our wires. Ground wire, or the green wire, goes on here. These two, I think, don't really matter. Because it just completes the circuit, but we'll find out whenever I turn it on. I'm going to have to put one in this way and one in this way. And push everything back into the hole. Clips in the top. baby. Get those wires back in there. That's why it was turned at such a sharp angle before. That should be good. Phillips head screwdriver in the bottom, or Phillips head screw into the bottom. See if we get it to line up. There we go. Then we go and power it back on. Okay, powered on. Let's see. Works. Yep. So now I gotta bend this. So it goes back into here. See, it came out from up there. Came around, and it's got to go into here. So I'm gonna bend that. Try not to angle it too rough. I left the screw up in there, if you can see it. See how I have this? Just looped through this bracket. Not pretty, but it's functional. Then I'll go back up in here, and that's secured in place with the Phillips head screw. Come on. There we go. That seems to be in there pretty good. I'm going to set this up to around 4 and let it run for a while and make sure everything gets nice and cold, but I think that's going to fix it. And that'll do it for installing a replacement thermostat in this Electrolux freezer, upright freezer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.